if you look at the first couple of examples, I hope it is very easy for you to spot out the D. What's the D for the first list of numbers? 4. Okay, because you see how it's adding 4 every single term. For the second list, it is -5, -5. Okay, so if you are adding numbers to the sequence, then it's a positive number. If you're subtracting numbers, then it's -5. It's negative. Okay, so D could be positive, D could be negative. Okay, and we have this equation here. I think I wrote slightly differently. I wrote it this way. Okay, either way it's fine. I don't care. Okay, either way you have to simplify it, and then condense it. Okay, so here we go. Now there are 3 examples here. I think the first one is pretty straightforward. Okay, the first job that you become very sensitive to is you can spot out a D very quickly. And the A1 is usually given. So A1 is going to be 7 and D is going to be 4 in this case. So you're like, oh, I've got the A1 and D. I can go ahead and write down the equation. Okay. Now, what I will also tell you is this. There's a shortcut to write this equation. And I'm not going to share with you now, but if you can figure out the shortcut, you can come to me and verify it. There's a shortcut. Okay. So if you can figure it out, talk to me. Okay. Now, so this one is an easy one. Okay. We give you the A1, we give you the D, and then just write the equation. That's easy, straightforward. And then we go to B. Okay, what's B? Well, it's kind of strange. They give you variables for A1 and D. And we're like, sure. I mean, we have A1 and D, so we can write the equation. Right? Just same thing. We don't have to treat them special, anything special. So you have this for AN. So AN is simply 3nx minus 2x.